Namaskar. Acne is a common problem which affects lots of people. It leads to feeling of social withdrawal, self-consciousness and low self-confidence, especially in youngsters. Let's understand what causes acne. Acne is caused by various factors like hormonal fluctuations, genetics, food choices, excess sebum production, bacterial overgrowth, and inflammation. These factors clog your pores. Clogged pores lead to formation of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Don't worry, acne is something that can be managed easily. There are some do-it-yourself remedy to manage acne. The first remedy is Avocado Spirulina smoothie. Avocado is rich in vitamin C and E. All this helps in skin repair and hydration. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense algae. It has anti-inflammatory property, helps build collagen, and promotes detoxification. Together, avocado and spirulina makes a powerful combination for fighting acne from within. To make this smoothie, blend 1 ripe avocado with a teaspoon of spirulina powder. Consume it regularly to nourish your skin and support its natural healing process. Next remedy is Yogasanas. The first yogasana that would help you control your acne is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. It stretches the chest and shoulder, improving blood circulation to the face and reducing acne-causing toxins. The next asana is Vipareet Karni or a leg up wall pose. This asana improves your lymphatic drainage, flushing out toxins from all the parts of your body. As your body is detoxified like this, it will also lose the toxins and bacteria that cause acne. The last asana is Matsyasana or fish pose. This asana opens up the chest and throat, increasing oxygen flow to the skin, promotes detoxification. Do these yoga asanas daily, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. The third remedy is Alum and rose water toner. Alum or fitkari is known for its astringent and antibacterial property. It helps you tighten pores. As your pores tighten, dirt particles will not clog them. This will prevent formation of pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. Alum also reduces excess oil production. Rose water, with its soothing and hydrating effect, reduces inflammation and skin flare-ups. To make this toner, dissolve a small amount of alum powder in rose water and dab it on cleansed skin using a cotton pad. Use it daily as part of your skincare routine to maintain a clear and balanced complexion. The fourth remedy is an Ayurvedic Manjistha and Khus pack. Manjistha is a traditional Ayurvedic herb, possesses anti-inflammatory and detoxifying property, making it very good for acne-prone skin. Khus or vetiver has cooling and soothing effect, which reduces inflammation and irritation. Together, they form a good face pack to cleanse, nourish, and rejuvenate the skin. To make this face pack, soak some khus or vetiver root overnight in water. Next morning, mix this water with powdered manjistha to create a smooth paste. Apply it to the cleansed skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Use this face pack weekly to clear the skin. Finally, let me give you some practical do's and don'ts to prevent acne. Use these tips to avoid common triggers that can cause acne breakouts. Here are some do's. Change your pillow covers and face towels regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. Next, manage stress through meditation and yoga. Make sure you are eating a balanced diet which is full of fruits and vegetables, lean protein and whole grains to support good health. Don't forget to drink adequate water. The important don'ts to stop acne are Avoid touching or picking the acne on your face to prevent further inflammation and scarring. Eat less processed food, sugar snack, and dairy products as these increase acne. Avoid using harsh chemical skincare products that can irritate your skin and worsen acne. And finally, protect your skin from UV damage. Use coconut oil as a natural sunscreen when you step out. Acne may be challenging, but it is a manageable condition. All you need is a right approach and right remedies. Use these effective remedies. You should notice that tension with these pimples will always worsen. So don't worry if pimples come. They would come to go, not to stay, if you attend to yourself. Don't put yourself down. This would rather harm you. In any case, these things are usually in the younger age, but they definitely hurt you later on also. So attend to them with these simple things. Observe when you get more pimples, when you have less. Observe your body's condition and accordingly function in life. Take care, everything should be perfect. Namaskar.